Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you the study timer feature on student accounts. So as a student, once you log in, you'll see your classroom cards for each class that you're enrolled in. You probably know by now, if you click on the image part of your card, the part with a kangaroo, you'll be brought back to whatever you were working on the last time you logged in. You can also access your learning journey or the material that you can work on by clicking on the learning journey icon, which is the 3 bars here. So let's do that. Now you can see on the side of my page is something that says Study Timer. You can click on it to expand it. So far, because I haven't started studying yet, I've got no time here. So let's start working and we'll see what changes. So my lesson here is called Transforming Lines and Segments, and I'm going to click the play button to get started. I can see that this is going to be a collection, which is videos or games or other practice material that lets you work with a concept before you take a check for understanding. So the red light is not flashing, which means time is not tracking. Once I click continue, you'll notice that the red light starts flashing. My time is now being recorded because now I'm actually studying. I'm in my learning journey, I'm watching videos, and I'm answering questions. So this is the symbol for collection. Because I'm in a collection of resources now, this is where my time gets recorded. So I've been in here for about 20 seconds, and my total time is also about 20 seconds. When I work on an assessment later, you'll see the time start to accumulate down here, and it'll add to my total. So when you play a video, time counts because you are actively studying. When I move on to the next page, time continues because you're actively studying. So once you make your way through the collection, including the practice questions, and you submit your answers, you're brought to a report page where you can review what you got right and wrong and how much time you spent. Notice that my study timer has stopped. I'm not actively working. I'm not watching videos or answering questions. Instead, I'm just looking at a report. Because I'm not actively working, my study timer pauses. When I click next to go on to the check for understanding, which is a kind of assessment, my study timer will begin again once I click continue. So here, the red dot is solid. We haven't started our assessment, so our time hasn't started adding up yet. When I click continue and I'm brought to that check for understanding, we're blinking over here, which means time has started counting. So if you add together the time you spend on collections and assessments, you'll get your total at the top. This continues all the way through, and it continues to run as you do all of the questions. And then just like with collections, once you submit all and you get to the report page, time pauses. Again, I'm not actively answering questions or actively learning, so time pauses. When I click next to go on to the next collection, time will start again. So this is just like before. I'm being offered a suggestion because I struggled a little bit with this check for understanding. I'm going to click continue, and since this is another type of collection, we'll notice that my collection time starts again. So let's do that. Now, just like before, we're going to click the continue button. I'm going to expand my timer, and I can see that my collection time has started again, and I'm adding to the total. So something you should know is if you go to another tab, so I have an open tab up here, and I want to go to YouTube or another website, time stops. So I'm at 1 minute and 25 seconds. If I go to a new tab and I move away from Math Navigator and I stop actively learning, the timer stops too. It starts again when you come back. So the last thing to talk about is that this timer matches the time that shows up in your progress report. So the progress report keeps track of the time you've spent, the assessments you've taken, and the collections you've worked on. This will continue to run until you log out.